Your car's brakes are one of the most important safety features. Keeping them in good condition helps you avoid accidents and ensures a smooth driving experience. Fortunately, there are some easy ways to keep your brakes in top shape. Inspect the brake pads regularly, as they wear out over time. If they become too thin, they may start to squeak as a warning sign that they need to be replaced. If you hear squeaking, grinding, or clicking sounds when you brake, it could mean there is a problem. These noises can indicate worn-out pads or other brake problems. Brake fluid is essential for proper braking. Check the fluid level regularly and replace it when necessary to prevent brake failure. Over time, air can get into the brake lines, making the brakes less effective. Bleeding the brakes removes this air and ensures proper function, improving braking performance and safety. Hard braking puts extra stress on your brakes and wears them out faster. Try to slow down gradually whenever possible. Driving at a steady speed and avoiding stop-and-go traffic can reduce brake wear and improve their lifespan. Carrying too much weight increases pressure on the brakes. Keep your load within the recommended limit to reduce strain on the braking system. When driving downhill, use engine braking, downshifting, instead of relying only on the brakes. This helps reduce brake wear. A professional mechanic can spot problem before they become serious. Regular brake inspections ensure everything is working properly. If your brake rotors are worn, warped, or uneven, they can create squeaking and decrease braking effectiveness. Replacing them provides a smooth surface for the brake pads to grip, reducing noise. Fresh rotors enhance braking performance and improve safety. Your tires and brakes work together. Properly inflated and well-maintained tires provide better traction, helping your brakes work more effectively. Regularly clean the entire brake area to remove dust, dirt, and debris that can affect braking performance. Keeping the brakes clean helps prevent wear and ensures smoother, more responsive stopping power. Inspect and lubricate the brake calipers regularly to ensure they move freely and apply even pressure to the brake pads. Sticking or seized calipers can cause uneven wear and reduce braking efficiency. Brake dust can build up on your wheels over time, affecting both their appearance and braking efficiency. Regular cleaning prevents buildup, keeping your brakes and wheels in optimal condition. Regular maintenance and mindful driving habits will help you avoid costly repairs and keep you and your passengers safe on the road. By following these simple steps, you can keep your brakes in top condition and ensure a smooth, safe drive.